Me and Jens just arrived at the river after a 3-hour drive. Ready to do some trout fishing.
See if we can get a couple of trout today. A little high today, a little cold.
Got some overcast skies and it's like 30 degrees out. So let's see what we can do.
Oh, there we go. There we go. Oh, that's a good one. That's a good rainbow. Oh, oh my goodness. Come here. Got him. Key-Tech swim bait. First trout of the day is a nice rainbow. There we go.
So we just made a quick stop at the first hole. Jens hooked up with a nice rainbow, the first fish of the day. And we are moving on to the next spot here.
There's one. Woo.
Well, nice one, mate. Oh! Quick release. It's a brown.
There's one. Way over there. There's one, Jason. He's coming. He's right there in the middle.
Brown?
I don't know. I think it's a rainbow. That's a rainbow. Got him. Got him. All right. Second fish of the day. Rainbow. There he goes. Well, now lunchtime, we're gonna head upriver. So you see Jason's eating his Fritos.
God, they're delicious.
So caught a few down the river. one right there. Little guy. Oh, got him. Little one. Oh.
There we go. Double up. Let's go. Oh, I got a good one. Oh, dude, I got a nice one. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god, get in the net. Get in the net. Oh, come here, come here. Come here. Yeah, baby. Let's go. All right. First quality fish of the day for me. It's a nice sized brown there. He's probably, I don't know, 15 inches. He's fat too. Let's get a release on him. Okay, just hooked into a nice brown here. Oh, I got another good one. Oh, this is a good one, Jens. Swimming right at me. Can't tell how big he is. Oh, this is another good one, dude. All right. Yeah. Okay, here's my third fish of the day. Another nice brown. It's a little smaller than the last one, probably about 12 or 13 inches. Prettier colors though. It's my third and Jens's third. He's caught all rainbows, I've caught all browns. Let's get the release. So we just finished up some trout fishing on the river and it was pretty tough today. The river was a little high. I caught 3 browns.
Got the 3 rainbow, and that was it. That was it today.
It was kind of weird, us catching, you know, the different species, 3 browns and 3 rainbows. It was tough, but you know,
We'll get them next time.
there you go.